Assalamu alaikum. Hello. My name is Regina Elmi. I am just so excited to welcome the newest principal to Tukwila Elementary School. As we know, Tukwila School District has a history of welcoming immigrants, and we have had a historical understanding of disfranchised and disproportional of educators showing up like our students. And this is a new foundation and a new pathway forward, and we couldn't be more prouder. So we will stand alongside her, we will work with her, and we will make sure that we support her to make sure that we get Tukwila to that thriving community that we know it's meant to be.
Hello, this is Munira Mohamed, Executive Director of East African Community Services. We're in Tukwila Elementary today celebrating our first Somali principal, Miss Nur, here. And they're having an amazing back to school night here. And it's nice to be here with the families. It's nice to be here with everybody and the team at Tukwila Elementary. Thank you so much for inviting us to be here.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Edna Mohamud, and I am a resident in Seattle, Washington, specifically Renton. And today I'm talking to you from Tukwila Elementary to witness one of the first Somali female principals. And I'm really excited to join my community and see people like me prospering and growing. And it's been a privilege to get to meet other people like me in positions of power. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Dr. Flip Herndon. I'm the superintendent of the Tukwila School District. And we have also today Miss Hani Nur, the principal of Tukwila Elementary.
Hi, my name is Hani Nur, and I am the principal here at Tukwila Elementary. And tonight we have our open house. Right now we just wrapped up our K-2 families, and now we have our 3rd through 5th, or I might have reversed that. But this night is really for the families to come, make a connection, build community so that they know that we are back in full swing and really targeting, how to get our education back up, how to get our learning back up, and how to get our kids and our families excited about learning. And I think so far it's going great.
Indeed. And as superintendent, I am trying to do everything I can to support Miss Nur in her efforts. I know the staff and the families and the community are very excited about her being the principal here at Tukwila Elementary. I'm sure she's going to be exceptionally successful, and we look forward to the school year. Thank you.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Renton News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.